What if I told you that one simple decision could be the difference between becoming wealthy or staying financially stuck for the rest of your life? Right now, the smartest investors are making a choice between two powerful wealth-building assets: real estate and cryptocurrency. Crypto has created overnight millionaires, turning tiny investments into life-changing fortunes. But could it all come crashing down just as fast? Real estate has been the backbone of wealth for centuries, giving people passive income, security, and long-term growth. But in today's digital world, is it too slow? Too outdated? So, which one is truly the best investment? Which one will make you more money? And, most importantly, which one is right for you? By the end of this video, you'll have the answers. You'll know exactly where the smart money is going and how to position yourself for financial success. So don't go anywhere, because what you're about to hear could change your future forever. The power of real estate, safe and reliable. For centuries, real estate has been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. From kings to billionaires, and even everyday smart investors, real estate has been the foundation of long-term financial success. But why is it such a powerful investment? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First, real estate provides steady cash flow. Imagine owning a rental property. Every month, tenants pay you rent. Whether you go to work, take a vacation, or even sleep, that money keeps coming in. This is called passive income, and it's one of the biggest reasons why wealthy people love real estate. Instead of working for money, their properties make money for them. Second, real estate increases in value over time. Think about it. Your grandparents or parents might have bought a house for a tiny fraction of what it's worth today. Unlike cars, phones, or other things that lose value as they age, real estate almost always appreciates in the long run. That means the longer you own it, the more valuable it becomes. This is why real estate is often called a wealth-building machine. Third, real estate investors get special tax benefits. The government actually encourages people to invest in real estate by offering legal tax loopholes. What does that mean? If you invest in property the right way, you can pay little to no taxes on the money you earn. Meanwhile, most people working regular jobs get taxed heavily. This is why the rich keep getting richer. They know how to use the system to their advantage. And the biggest advantage? Leverage. This is what makes real estate so different from other investments. Let's say you want to buy a house worth $100,000. You don't need all that money up front. The bank will lend you most of it. You might only need to pay $10,000 or $20,000 from your pocket, but you still own the entire property. That means you can start making money from an asset that you barely paid for yourself. This is one of the few investments where you can use other people's money to build wealth. Sounds like the perfect investment, right? Well, not so fast. Real estate isn't perfect. Let's talk about the downsides. First, it's expensive to start. Unlike crypto or stocks, where you can invest as little as $10 or $100, real estate requires serious money. You need a big down payment, plus extra cash for taxes, repairs, and unexpected expenses. If you don't have a lot of capital, getting started can be tough. Second, real estate isn't liquid. That means you can't just sell a house instantly and get your money back. If you suddenly need cash, you might have to wait months or even years to find a buyer. Compare that to crypto or stocks, where you can sell your investment in seconds. And third, real estate markets can crash. In 2008, millions of people lost their homes and their life savings overnight. Many believed real estate was always safe, until the economy collapsed and prices plummeted. If you buy property at the wrong time, or if you're not prepared for a downturn, you could lose money instead of making it. So what does this all mean? Is real estate still the best investment? Or is there something even better in today's world? The rise of crypto, the future of money? For years, people believed that the only way to build wealth was through traditional investments like real estate and stocks. These were considered the safest, most reliable ways to grow money over time. But then, something revolutionary happened. Crypto was born. At first, no one took it seriously. Governments ignored it, banks laughed at it, and even most investors thought it was just a temporary trend. But fast forward to today, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have outperformed almost every other asset class. In just over a decade, crypto has turned ordinary people into millionaires, sometimes overnight. So what makes crypto such a game changer? First, high potential returns. Unlike real estate or stocks that take years to grow in value, crypto can skyrocket in just days or even hours. Take Bitcoin as an example. It started as worthless digital money, and now it's worth tens of thousands of dollars per coin. The growth potential is insane, and no other investment has ever risen in value this fast. Second, decentralization. Traditional money, like dollars, euros, or yen, is controlled by governments and banks. They decide how much to print, when to freeze accounts, and who can access their funds. But with crypto, none of that applies. Your money is truly yours. No government can inflate it by printing more. No bank can limit your transactions. No authority can freeze your funds. It's a financial system that operates beyond government control, giving people true financial freedom. Third, liquidity. If you need to sell your investment, crypto allows you to do it instantly. No need to wait months to sell a house. No dealing with banks, brokers, or piles of paperwork. You can buy, sell, or transfer crypto in seconds, making it one of the most flexible investments out there. And finally, new opportunities. Crypto is no longer just about Bitcoin. The rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, allows people to borrow, lend, and earn passive income without using a bank. NFTs have changed how we see ownership, from art to digital real estate. And speaking of real estate, blockchain technology now allows you to own fractions of real estate, making investing in property easier than ever. The future of investing is being rewritten, and crypto is leading the charge. Sounds like the perfect investment, right? But before you go all in, let's talk about the downsides. The biggest issue? Volatility. Crypto prices can explode one day and crash 50% the next. One moment, you could be making huge profits, and the next, your investment could be cut in half. If you don't understand the market, you could lose everything just as fast as you made it. Then there's regulation. Governments don't like things they can't control. Some countries have banned crypto entirely, and others are working on strict regulations that could limit its use. The rules around crypto are still changing, and that makes it a risky bet. And finally, crypto has no physical presence. Unlike real estate, you can't see it, touch it, or live in it. Some people just don't trust digital assets, and that hesitation keeps crypto in a high-risk category. So what do you think? Is crypto the future of wealth, or just another bubble waiting to pop? So, where is the smart money really going? Should you invest in real estate, crypto, or both? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. The truth is, both real estate and crypto have strengths and weaknesses. Smart investors don't just pick one, they use both strategically. If you want stability and long-term security, real estate is your best bet. Real estate has been around for centuries, and it's proven to be one of the safest ways to build wealth. When you own property, you have a tangible asset, something real, something people will always need. You can collect rent, watch your property increase in value over time, and take advantage of tax benefits that help you keep more of your money. But it's not perfect. You need a lot of money up front to buy real estate, and if you ever need cash fast, selling a house takes time. Plus, if the market crashes, like in 2008, your property value could drop, and you could lose money instead of making it. If you want fast growth and high risk, high reward opportunities, crypto might be the way to go. Crypto is completely different from real estate. It's digital, decentralized, and it doesn't require a bank or government to control it. Some people became millionaires overnight by investing early in Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's an asset that can skyrocket in value within days or even hours, something real estate will never do. But the risks? Huge. Prices can crash just as fast as they rise. Governments are still trying to regulate crypto, and because it's completely digital, some people don't trust it. Unlike real estate, you can't live in it, rent it out, or physically own it. So what's the best strategy? The answer is diversification. Own both. If you put all your money into real estate, you might miss out on the rapid growth of crypto. If you put everything into crypto, you risk losing it all in a crash. That's why smart investors are doing both. They use real estate for stability and crypto for potential high returns. But here's the big trend that changes everything. Real estate and crypto are merging. Right now, blockchain technology is making it possible to own real estate through tokenized assets. This means you can buy fractions of a property using crypto, just like you would buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. No need for a mortgage, no banks, no piles of paperwork. Imagine owning a piece of a luxury apartment in New York or a beachfront villa in Bali with just a few clicks. This new system combines the best of both worlds, the security of real estate with the liquidity of crypto. This is the future of investing. The question is, are you ready for it? Most people will never learn this information. They will keep following the same outdated financial advice, working hard, saving money, and hoping things will get better. But you're not most people. You now understand where the smart money is going. You see the trends. You see the opportunities. Now, the real question is, what will you do? Will you invest in real estate, playing the long game with steady growth and financial security? Will you ride the wave of crypto, taking risks for the chance of massive returns? Or will you combine both and create a portfolio that balances stability and high growth potential? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your take on this. And if you're serious about building wealth and making smart financial moves, don't stop here. There's so much more to learn. Subscribe now for in-depth financial insights every single week. Turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity that could change your life. Like and share this video to help others make smarter investment decisions. The world is changing fast. Those who take action will build wealth. Those who hesitate will be left behind. Make the right choice. I'll see you in the next video.